Here is part 3 of 100 facts that sound fake but are true. If you missed part 1 and part 2, I have left a link in the description for you. Let's begin. Number 60. Crocodiles cannot stick their tongues out. Number 59. Your body can survive losing up to 30% of its blood, but after that, organs start shutting down fast. Number 58. There's a waterfall underwater. In the ocean near Mauritius, sand and currents create the illusion of a massive underwater fall flowing into a deep abyss. Number 57. A candle flame isn't actually solid fire. It has different zones, and the hottest part isn't the yellow glow. It's the blue area near the base. Number 56. There's a condition where people genuinely believe they are dead or don't exist. It's called Cotard syndrome. Number 55. Some fungi can control insects like puppets, forcing them to climb to a perfect spot before the fungus kills them and spreads spores. Number 54. Caffeine is actually a natural insecticide. Coffee plants produce it to poison or paralyze insects that try to eat them. Number 53. There are forever chemicals in the world right now that can last thousands of years without breaking down. Number 52. A human sneeze can travel over 100 miles per hour. Number 51. Area 51 is a real U.S. Air Force facility, and the U.S. government denied it existed for decades before officially confirming it. Number 50. Likewise, the U.S. government has officially released UFO footage filmed by Navy pilots and admitted that some objects are still unexplained. Number 49. Some people are born with an extra bone in their knee called the fibula. Number 48. There are fish that can survive being frozen solid, then thaw out and swim away like nothing happened. Number 47. There's a real sound so low frequency you can't hear it, but it can make people feel sick, paranoid, and like they're being watched. Number 46. The Sahara Desert was once green and full of rivers. Number 45. Your fingerprints aren't the only unique thing about you. Your tongue print is unique too. Number 44. There's a species of lizard that can shoot blood out of its eyes. Number 43. Gold is edible. Real gold leaf is used in food, and your body doesn't digest it. It passes straight through you. Number 42. The chlorine smell in swimming pools isn't actually chlorine. It's caused by chemicals formed when chlorine mixes with sweat and urine. Number 41. A dog's nose print is unique, like a human fingerprint. No two dogs have the same pattern.